In this video, I'll be showing you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same PC or laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're logged into one WhatsApp account already, but you might want to log into another phone number account or anything like that. It's actually a very simple method. So obviously when you're on your Chrome, all you want to do is type in web.whatsapp.com. Then, if you're logged in, you're already going to be logged into your normal account. But if you just want to switch accounts, there's actually two simple methods for this. So if you're on Google Chrome, what you can do is just go out of that, and then on the top right, you're going to see your profile section. You can actually add another Chrome profile. So all you can do is press add Chrome profile right here. You can continue without an account if you want to, and then you can literally just log in using your new WhatsApp number to log in over here, and then you can just switch between accounts however many times you want. It's literally that simple. So you can have multiple Chrome accounts if you want to, which all have different WhatsApp accounts, because the history on one profile doesn't link with the history on another profile. Another thing you can do is literally just use another browser. So if I just want to like Microsoft Edge, for example, which would open up right here, all I would have to do is go on web.whatsapp.com, and then I would just have to log in with my other WhatsApp number. But it's as simple as that.